Biking around Burnaby offers an exhilarating way to explore the diverse landscapes, vibrant neighborhoods, and abundant natural beauty of this British Columbia city. With its extensive network of bike paths and trails, Burnaby provides cyclists of all skill levels the opportunity to enjoy an active lifestyle while taking in the stunning scenery. One of the most popular routes is the Burnaby Lake Regional Park Loop. This picturesque trail winds around the lake, providing cyclists with breathtaking views of the water, lush forests, and the surrounding mountains. The path is well maintained and relatively flat, making it suitable for families and casual riders. As you pedal along, you'll likely encounter a variety of wildlife, including ducks, herons, and even the occasional beaver. The tranquil atmosphere of the park creates an inviting environment for a leisurely ride, and there are plenty of spots to stop and enjoy a picnic or simply relax by the water. For those seeking a more urban experience, the Central Valley Greenway is a must-ride. This 24-kilometer route connects Burnaby to Vancouver and New Westminster, showcasing the city's commitment to sustainable transportation. The path runs through parks, along rivers, and past neighborhoods, offering a unique glimpse into Burnaby's diverse communities. Along the way, cyclists can stop at various attractions, such as the stunning Burnaby Village Museum, where history comes to life through interactive exhibits and heritage buildings. Another notable destination is the Simon Fraser University, SFU campus, perched atop Burnaby Mountain. The ride up to SFU can be challenging due to the steep incline, but the panoramic views of the city and beyond make the effort worthwhile. Once at the top, cyclists can explore the beautiful campus grounds, which feature art installations, gardens, and walking paths. The nearby Discovery Park offers additional trails that meander through the forest, providing a perfect opportunity to reconnect with nature. For a more challenging biking experience, the trails in the Burnaby Mountain Conservation Area are ideal. These rugged paths cater to mountain bikers seeking adrenaline-pumping adventures. The area features a mix of technical terrain and scenic routes, allowing riders to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the forest while enjoying the thrill of navigating through twists and turns. The well-marked trails cater to various skill levels, ensuring that both novice and experienced riders can find their perfect route. Burnaby's commitment to cycling is further exemplified by the city's bike-friendly infrastructure. Numerous bike lanes, paths, and bike-sharing programs encourage residents and visitors to choose cycling as a viable mode of transportation. This accessibility promotes a healthier lifestyle and reduces traffic congestion, aligning with the city's sustainability goals. In conclusion, biking around Burnaby is not just a recreational activity. It is an invitation to discover the city's hidden gems, embrace nature, and foster community connections. Whether you're enjoying a peaceful ride around Burnaby Lake, navigating the urban landscape of the Central Valley Greenway, or challenging yourself on the trails of Burnaby Mountain, the city offers a rich and rewarding biking experience. Each ride is an opportunity to appreciate the harmony between urban life and the great outdoors, making Burnaby a cyclist's paradise.